Hey everyone, so I wanted to mention a video that I'm working on. So this isn't it, but I'm working on some IFC and KNIME stuff, and I still wanted to make this video ahead of that one because I wanted to share some of the resources that were out there and just get those out there so that you guys are aware of it. But Miliano on LinkedIn posted about this KNIME IFC nodes that he created for KNIME about, I don't know, a couple months ago or so. But you can find the two nodes for the IFC readers out here on the KNIME website. And I think you can install it in KNIME, but another way is to just take this link, open it, and you can actually drag this, or not from here. Let me pull this over. So you can pull it from here. Also, if you go into the node, you can pull it from here as well and just drop it onto your canvas, and then it will it'll load the extension. It'll prompt you some things. But anyways, I just wanted to mention that that's out there because I think that's a really cool tool, because IFC is an open format and you can use IFC and export to it from various tools. And so having the ability to have KNIME read that in is pretty powerful for, I think, AC data, because now we can pull that data from like Revit models, and it could be from a folder with a bunch of them or a bunch of locations, pull that information in and then read that data, connect it with other sources. But we can also pull that data, or IFC data, from other tools that will write to IFC as well. And I'm a big fan of IFC, mostly because it's an open format, so I can literally open the raw format and look at it, unlike Revit files as an example. But anyways, the video that I'm working on is it's kind of like this workflow here that you see. So I'm still exploring it and testing some things. That's why I haven't posted it yet. I really want to get it to work. And so I'm just testing a few things, different IFC formats, some nodes in KNIME, just playing around so I can have some cool stuff to share. I'm also going to talk a bit about the IDS. I just need to learn more about it and how that might kind of play a role in this. So I'll see how that gets brought in. But I still wanted to share this stuff and share other resources. So Emiliano's post, so he's got this, but he's also got a post talking about it. I'll share both of those in the description, so definitely check those out. And then whenever I get this workflow worked out, I'll share this along with any other resources, and hopefully I'll have the video out by this Thursday, so in a few days. But anyways, hopefully you like this. If you have ideas for BIM data, let me know. And then I can put it in the video or even future videos. So if there's anything you want to explore with data related to AEC, let me know, and I'll see if I can talk about it or create an example for it. So anyways, hopefully you like this, and I'll see you in the next one.